Good morning. Today the further bullet is continued in this video. Here we will be discussing about SQL functions. Following are given in your syllabus. Okay. In the next bullet, these are mentioned: sum function, average, count, mean, max. Before that, what are SQL functions? SQL has some inbuilt functions in it. Okay, for performing the operations. For performing some operations, say the operation is sum, average निकालना है, count करना है, minimum, maximum निकालना है. Alright. So SQL has some inbuilt functions which are used to perform certain calculations. On where certain calculations are performed on the data of the database. अभी database में तो नाम भी हो सकता है, roll numbers are there, alright. But these functions act on the numeric data. Mainly they act on the numeric data. SQL has some inbuilt functions which act on the numeric data of the database, which perform operations on the numeric data of the database. Alright. Some functions. It returns the total of the column. It returns the total of the certain column. Average, it returns, नाम ही से मालूम चल रहा है, it returns the average value of a certain column. Count function, it counts the number of rows present in a database and it returns it. Alright, I'll be discussing with an example. Let me first define this, then I'll come to the example. Min functions return the smallest value of the column and max returns the maximum value of the column. Okay, now we'll see all this, how all these functions gives us the output in a database table. Now let us understand with this example. I have taken one database, एक table ले लिया, database table, name, product. Okay, it comprises of the three columns: product ID, product name, product price in rupees. S01, S02, S03 are the product IDs. S01 मतलब है copies, marker, beaker. केमिस्ट्री लैब में लगता है ना बीकर, वो वाला बीकर. देन पर कॉपी कॉस्ट ₹50, पर मार्कर कॉस्ट ₹30, ये वाला मार्कर, एंड पर बीकर कॉस्ट ₹100. नाउ वी विल बी परफॉर्मिंग दिस operations using this inbuilt SQL functions. We will be performing certain operations and I will show you the output. Say one query I am writing. Every time I need to write the full. That's why मैं क्या करता हूँ, इसे ही छोटा कर देता हूँ. Product से PRD. The table name is changed. Table name को कैसे change किया जाता है ये भी, this will also be taught to you. Okay, इसको भी सीखना है. Altering the name of the table. Table already exists in the database. You want to alter the name. उससे कैसे किया जाता है, I will teach you in the further videos. तो I have just altered the name of the table. Product पूरा था spelling, तो उसको मैं short कर दिया PRD. क्योंकि ये क्वेरी लिखते समय मुझे बार-बार लिखना पड़ता पूरा प्रोडक्ट में. That's why. तो select function I have used. Select sum. Sum is performing the operation and it will return the total of a column. कौन सा column मैंने लिया? P_price. P_price. Product price from PRD. Okay. So this query I will fetch, and after performing this operation, this query will give me the output or answer, whatever answer भी बोल सकते हैं. इसका आंसर क्या होगा? इसका आंसर आएगा 180. आउटपुट हुआ 180 of this query. This is how the sum function operates. Then you can find the average. To average अभी सम को बदल दिया मैंने. I have written second query where I am performing the average function. I want that the average function to perform its operation on the price. Then what will be the output? Average कितना आ रहा है? 150 180 divided by 3 60. 180 तो टोटल हो गया, टोटल एंड डिवाइड बाय नंबर ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स 3. 180 by 3 is 60. इसका आउटपुट आएगा 60. Okay? Then the next one, how count works. Select count in capital or in block. It returns the number of rows. तो number of rows के लिए प्राइस दीजिए, आईडी से ही मालूम चल जाएगा. Product ID. Select count. Count operation is being performed on the product ID from the database name PRD. What is the output? 3. Output क्या आएगा? Answer क्या आएगा? 3. One row, second row, third row. 3 rows are available in the database and count will return 3. Alright. Then mean. I think it's clear to you. If I use mean here, then the output will be 30. mean तो यूज करूंगा कहाँ पे? On the price column. mean function will be performing the task on the p underscore price. इसका output select mean. What is this? The syntax. Select mean. On which column you want to perform this operation? I want to perform the operation on the price column. Product price from table name PRD. The output will be 30. It is returning the minimum value of this column. Similarly, the max function will return the value 100. Max function को कॉल किया गया है. Max is an inbuilt SQL function you have called here. It is performing with the operation. It will return the maximum value of the column product price. You are performing this function. इस function को किसके ऊपर लागू किया? Price column के ऊपर. Then it will check here. Maximum price कितना है? Maximum value कितना है? इस वाला column में 100 है, तो 100 को return करेगा. I hope this part is clear to you. Thank you for watching.